Today I'm going to teach you how to install Translate Multilingual sites in WordPress. This plugin is essential if you want to make your website accessible to a global audience by offering content in multiple languages, helping you reach more visitors and expand your online presence. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need administrator access to install plugins. Once you've entered your username and password, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the menu path labeled Plugins, then click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find thousands of available plugins that can extend your website's functionality. The Plugins menu is typically located on the left sidebar of your dashboard, making it easy to access whenever you need to add new features. In the search bar that appears, type Translate Multilingual Sites and press Enter. This will filter through the entire WordPress plugin library to show you results that match your search. The search function is powerful and will help you quickly locate the exact plugin you need without having to scroll through countless options. Next, click the Install Now button next to the Translate Multilingual Sites plugin. When you find the correct plugin in the search results, you'll see this button clearly displayed. Clicking it will begin the download and installation process automatically. WordPress will handle all the technical aspects, so you don't need to worry about manually uploading files or configuring settings at this stage. Finally, click Activate once the installation completes. After the plugin finishes installing, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. Clicking this is crucial because installing the plugin alone doesn't enable its features. Activation turns on the plugin's functionality and makes it ready to use on your website. Once activated, you'll be able to configure your multilingual settings and start translating your site content for visitors from around the world. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated the Translate Multilingual Sites plugin on your WordPress website, giving you the tools to create a truly multilingual experience for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.